Welcome back to our channel, Just Immigration News. Workplace rights for undocumented immigrants. What you need to know. In the U.S., the term undocumented immigrant is now more commonly used than illegal immigrant, but both refer to people who do not have valid immigration papers or official permission to work. Many people believe that undocumented workers have no rights at work. But that is not true. Even without legal status, there are federal and state laws that protect undocumented workers from abuse, unsafe conditions, and discrimination. Knowing these rights can help protect workers from mistreatment and allow them to work with dignity and safety. Different types of workplace abuse. Undocumented workers can face several kinds of mistreatment, including forced labor. This is when someone is made to work through threats, lies, or pressure and cannot leave freely. Worker exploitation. This may include unpaid wages, wage theft, unsafe conditions, excessive deductions, or being paid below minimum wage. Discrimination. This includes being treated unfairly because of race, nationality, language, or immigration status. What rights do undocumented immigrants have at work? Here are some important rights that apply to all workers, including those without papers. 1. Right to fair pay. Undocumented workers must be paid at least the federal minimum wage, and in some states even more. They also have the right to overtime pay when working over 40 hours a week. Employers are not allowed to steal wages, refuse to pay, fake job titles to avoid paying overtime, hide payroll records. 2. Right to a safe workplace. Under OSHA, every worker has the right to a workplace free from serious health and safety hazards. Undocumented workers can report unsafe work conditions, file complaints, ask for safety training, report work injuries, and they have the right to do this without retaliation or deportation threats. 3. Protection from discrimination. Laws enforced by the EEOC protect workers from discrimination based on race, color, sex, religion, national origin. These laws apply even if a worker does not have legal status. Employers cannot fire, refuse to hire, or treat workers differently just because they are immigrants. 4. Protection from forced labor and trafficking. Forced labor and human trafficking are serious crimes in the U.S. Workers who are being controlled through threats or coercion may qualify for special immigration protections, such as U visas or T visas. What to do if your workplace rights are violated? Knowing your rights is powerful, but enforcing them is even more important. Here are steps undocumented workers can take. Step 1. Collect evidence, keep records of hours worked, pay stubs or wage payments, texts or emails, photos of unsafe conditions, witness statements. This can help prove abuse later. Step 2. Do not share immigration status without advice. Revealing your status to employers or agencies can put you at risk. It is better to get legal advice before talking about immigration status. Step 3. File complaints with the right agencies. Different problems go to different departments. Discrimination, EEOC. Wage theft or pay issues, U.S. Department of Labor. Safety violations, OSHA. Forced labor or trafficking, DHS, Blue Campaign, and law enforcement. Workers can file complaints even if they do not have documents. Step 4. Consider immigration relief. In cases involving force, threats, or exploitation, undocumented workers may qualify for U visa for crime victims, T visa for trafficking victims, deferred action, or other protections. These may allow workers to stay legally and assist with investigations. Undocumented immigrants may face fear and vulnerability at work, but they are not without rights. U.S. labor and anti-discrimination laws protect them from abuse, unsafe conditions, and forced labor. Getting help from lawyers or advocacy groups can make the process safer and easier. That's it for today's video. What do you think about this topic? Thank you for watching all the way to the end. We hope you found this information helpful. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.